Hello kids, let's learn to 2D shapes drawing and color fill. Kids, first color name: light pink color, red color, brown color, sky blue color, blue color, pink color, orange color, yellow color. Kids, shapes drawing. Kids, green color, 7-point star, round rectangle, quadrilateral, circle, L shape, star. Kids, color pen, blue color, star. Yellow color. Kids, round rectangle, yellow color. Orange color. Kids, quadrilateral, blue color. Kids, circle, circle. Pink color. Kids, L shape, green color. Kids, star. Kids, shapes name repeat: 7-point star, round rectangle, quadrilateral, circle, L shape, star. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.